In this video, we will show you how VMRay's IR Mailbox allows employees to submit suspicious emails to VMRay for rapid analysis and detection. First, we will cover how to create and configure a new IR Mailbox. Once configured, we will send a suspicious email via the IR Mailbox to VMRay for analysis. Let's get started. IR Mailbox allows security teams to create a dedicated mailbox hosted by VMRay. Cloud customers do not need to install any local agent or on-prem components. You can simply create and configure the mailbox in the cloud interface. If you are the account manager of your VMRay Cloud account, you can create a new IR Mailbox by navigating to the profile page in your account and clicking on IR Mailbox. In this example, no IR Mailbox has been set up yet, so we will create a new one. Enter a suitable name for the IR Mailbox and enable it. A mailbox address for users to send emails to will be generated after the configuration process is complete. Next, you want to provide a list of domains to ensure that only employees inside the organization or employees with a certain team can use the mailbox. In this example, we're going to permit anyone with an email address ending with the domain @abc.com to forward emails to the mailbox for analysis. You can also define the maximum number of attachments and URLs in each email that you want to analyze. Finally, as part of the analyzer settings, you can choose to enable reputation lookups in addition to static and dynamic analysis. We recommend always using reputation, static, and dynamic engines as part of your workflow to expedite detection. You can also choose to enable triaging as part of this workflow. To finish the setup process, click Save. Once saved, the new IR Mailbox is created and you will see the associated email address. This is the email which users will be able to forward suspicious emails for analysis. Now let's see IR Mailbox in action. In this example, a user has received a suspicious email with a Word document as an attachment. Before opening the attachment, the user can simply forward the email to the IR Mailbox for analysis. To do this, the user simply needs to use the email address that was just generated. For organizations running Outlook, we provide an Outlook plugin for users to submit with one click. The email is now sent to VMRay Analyzer via the IR Mailbox, and the user will receive an email notification as soon as the analysis is completed. Let's look at what an end-user notification looks like. We can see that the notification from IR Mailbox informs the user that the email contains a malicious attachment. Simultaneously, a different notification email is sent to the organization's security team. Teams can access the VMRay Analyzer report directly from the email by following the link to the sample page. VMRay Analyzer's detailed analysis reports contain actionable threat intelligence that these teams can then use to create a remediation plan, thereby ensuring that the threat is contained and eliminated. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more VMRay videos.